Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Brilliant Prince. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a beautiful family out of the word family itself.